Transfer complete.
Your electronic messages have arrived.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will see about HTML attributes.
HTML attributes are used to add more information to an HTML element, or the attributes provide additional information about HTML elements. Important things to remember: HTML attributes only appear at start tags. It will never be on end tags. HTML element can have multiple attributes. HTML attribute look like an attribute name, an equals sign, and by the name or value surrounded by quotation marks. Like, attribute name equals value. If you are still confusing about HTML attributes, let's see some examples. Example on the lang attribute. So, here lang is an attribute. We use the lang attribute to define the language of the HTML file. The language defined above is American English. Example on href attribute. Links are defined using the anchor element. On the above example, which we have used the attribute to tell the browser where to go. Example on src attribute. The image tag is used to embed an image in an HTML page. The src attribute specifies the path to the image to be displayed. The image tag should also contain the width and height attributes, which specifies the width and height of the image. Here, the image tag is an example of multiple attributes. Example on style attribute. The style attribute is used to add styles to an element, such as color, font size, and more. Here we can see in the above example, the paragraph element color is red, so in the output the paragraph will change into red color. If you like this video, then please do like and subscribe to my channel.